Tara na sa taas. Akit tayo.
Ayos ko lang damit ni nanay. Hello! Hello vlog!
Ay, papunta na sila. Yan yung mga kasama natin. May daanan pa punta doon, ha?
Pupunta ka doon sa ano?
Tuktok. Pwede pumunta sa tuktok niya. Wow. Ay, taas, ah.
Kanya pinuntahan yung bande.
Ito magandang daanan na eh.
Oh, sa tuhod na pala pag matanda na.
Sa una lang yan. Nung inakyat namin yung sa may Jebel Jais.
Oh. Hindi naman katuwa na.
Ay, nakapagod muna pero nung okay na. Ay. Oh. May mga tanim sila, mahal, oh. Kaganda, ano kayang iya?
Palay.
Diyan. Mga pagkain siguro ng mga ng camel. Baka pagkain ng camel. Lakas ng hangin. At least malamig din, ano? Kaya may mosque doon. Yan yung mga kabahayan. Mga palm tree, oh. Yan, greenery sa baba. May bundok. Ito yung tinignan namin kanina. Wow, ang sarap ng hangin.
Same lang din naman ito ng view mo doon sa baba.
Kaya nga, pero
Mas mataas.
may kabayo, oh. Nag-asakay sila kabayo.
Hailey, you want to ride natin? You want to ride? Ha? Okay, si ate na lang paparide ko.
Pwede umakyat siguro doon, mahal.
You have a lot of ano.
Diretso lang tayo?
Waterfalls. Wow, there's a lot of waterfalls.
Diretso tayo o dito na?
Diretso.
Diretso lang tayo?
Siguro, may waterfalls. Doon. Yun, may isa, yun.
Ayun.
Yun, isa, yun nga. Aray ko.
Ang ganda. Okay na yan.
Ayan, ang galing.
We're here!
We're here!
We're moving! Ayan na. Ayun, viewing deck. Mahal. Say hi muna, mahal.
Hi! Daddy, there's a available seat there if you want.
No, it's okay. Naubusan na sila. Tatlo lang yata.
Siya.
So, ayun, naglakad na sila. Ito mga ito, naglakad na rin eh. tayo. Wow, kaya pala. Taas. Paahon pala ng sobra, grabe. Okay. Ayun, ang dami mga ano.
Kaya nga niya ang Jebel Rapid.
Hindi, mataas to, mahal.
Jebel Rapid?
Tignan mo nga. Ahon talaga as in. Sobrang tarik. Oh. Ayan na. Wala. Okay. Ano to? Mga ano eh, tindahan, mga kainan. Oo. Sa taas. Sorry na. Ay, dito lang din pala. Para mas matagal pa yung stop natin ah. Mas matagal pa inintay natin sa pag-stop doon. Saan? Pila saan? Entrance. Hata, kayak. Kayak. Cold water, parsley, hiking, biking. Pwede rin mag-biking. Ano mahal ang sasakyan natin?
Boat.
Kayak, pedal boat, electric boat, VIP boat.
Pedal boats you want, Daddy?
Ha?
Pedal boats you want?
Oh, pwede.
Styling.
Ay.
Electronic boat.
Mahal. Hello. Hello, Nay.
Ito ang suitable para sa atin, which is the donut boat.
Donut boat. Pwede yan. Saktong-sakto apat tayo tapos dalawang bata. Pwede, di ba?
Yes.
Sayang sila, Jen. Ano?
Kaya nga.
Oh, kabayan, anong atin?
Ito. Ito lang.
Ilan ba kayo lahat?
Apat at saka isang baby.
Isang baby.
So, 5.
Oo.
Oh, willing to wait 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Oh, lahat po.
Oh, so
Hindi available po.
lahat Oo. Ito ba hindi ba ano ba maganda sa amin dyan? Yun lang abit pwede sa amin.
Oh, sa ano na, donut boat na kasi nandyan.
Daddy, ba yung ano?
Ay!
Diyan talaga? Diyan talaga sa inyo na yan? Pwede ba kami magkakasya sila dyan? Ready na yung boat? Very good! Uy, ready na yung boat, diba yan?
Wow! Ready ng boat! Ayan na! Pasok na kami! Babay sa inyong lahat dyan! Ayan na! Nauna na kami sa inyo! Ay! May mga isda oh! Ay! Ang isda oh! Mami! Ang isda! Ayun oh! Ah, may mga koi. Ayun oh! Ayan na. Woo! Go ahead. Baby. Thank you. Bumpy.
It's bouncy. I'm scared. I should have done that. Ow! Mommy, do we have to wear
Okay na.
hats?
Daddy, yung wallet mo
But what
naman.
if one
Okay sa akin. Give me. Nanay. Ate, mami. ate.
But the movie. That's how big.
Mama. Yes.
Nay, oh, okay ka lang? It's okay na? It's okay, I think so. Let's go, we are ready? Okay. Okay. So we have to put our things here? Daddy, we have to put our things? We have to put our bags or no need? Is it required to put this one? No need. Yeah. Kayak is okay for the baby also. Ay, para hindi pala kayak yung yan, yung pedal boat. Donut, 9 to 5.
Who will be the driver? Ako? Any? Okay now? Okay, let's go.
How many of you get electrocuted once you go?
Careful, mama.
We're scared to touch anything here.
Go.
Mommy, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Oh my God, I'm afraid to touch anything. Oh! Grounded. Everything's grounded. Okay. Now we're here.
This side or this side?
Which one?
Customer coming.
Let's take down. I don't want to go on here
anymore. What if water gets in this glass? Oh, we're far away. We're now far.
Kayo naman mag-drive.
Yeah.
Ate.
Try.
Yeah. Okay.
Wala ka nang babanggaan dyan, ha? Okay. The driver is, the captain now is Miss Althea. Huh?
Yeah, because you have to drive.
You drive. You go straight.
Where it will go? It will go to that way.
Are we going back where we started, or are we going?
We're going around now.
It is going forward. I'm trying to go behind that island thing.
Okay, lead the boat.
Lead the boat.
Haley, you want to lead the boat as well?
No.
Come on, baby.
Is it easy?
I don't know how to lead
You
the
don't know where
boat.
to go, right?
Ah. It's so slow.
Then put it more like this. Twist more. It's
on 3 already.
Boat.
Captain Althea.
Daddy, ano daw dyan, yan ang gawin natin next time? Kaya mo gawin niya, Daddy? Kayak?
Oo, madali yan.
Madali yan?
We did that last time. In
Where?
Philippines.
Marunong ako yan. Kahit sa sa Puerto Princesa, sa na ganyan tayo.
Ah, Oh.
faster?
Oh, yes. See, look at them. They are going there. Someone, someone picked the...
Hindi rin nila may ano.
Di na siguro naubusan siguro ang battery.
The battery can run out.
Oh my goodness, maybe it's running out of battery.
Is that why it's slow?
That's why it's very slow.
This is not good.
They're going slow too.
Here.
We're go to the side.
Okay. Okay, mama daw. Move a little bit ka daw, Nay. Move ka daw, move. Where are you going, anak? Where are you going? Ah. Oh, look at me, ate.
Ate, how is it touching the water?
Ah.
Did you touch the water?
Ate.
I didn't get the water.
Ate, bawal ka magano, ha?
It became an attraction.
That's the.
Natatakot sa'yo si...
Exciting yung kayak, ano?
Oo.
Kaso nga lang hindi pwede si, Hailey.
Kaya.
Sa kayak.
Oh yeah, I remember. I'm gonna get slapped in the face by the.
Ate, anong ginagawa mo? Ginagawa ka niyan. Why you doing that one, ate?
It's cold.
It's cold. Ah. You're enjoying, ate?
This is how slow I walk in. I'm gonna jump.
Wow, so nice. Woo! Nay, look at me. Ate, look at me.
Electrocuted.
Okay. Daddy, bakit namatay na yan? Wala na tayo.
Teko,
Okay. Para
para may natin.
Oh. Oh, this is nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Ano yun?
This is nice. This is nice.
How to get this people? Don't Ate!
Tatapang ng ate ng bunso. Ate!
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy, you want to... Okay.
It's okay now.
Okay, Hailey, go to your dad and we will have a photo. Sige na.
We'll take a photo now.
Yeah, no, go.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're scared? No, there's no electric now. There's no electric. See. Okay, dali na. Okay, Daddy. 1, 2, 3.
Ayan na.
How long have we traveled?
Ayan na. Magana na kayo.
Good thing we're not done.
Wait, mommy.
Maganda na rito dahil hindi na mainit. Ang daming mga nagkakayak, nagbo-boating. Ayan. Ang sarap mag-boating. They will hit us. You know? Oh.
Tiring the pedal boat is tiring.
Oh my goodness.
We're not going on that thing.
Oh, we're going around now. Oh.
Oh no, we're gonna hit somebody.
Oh, stop it.
Wow, so nice.
Wow, it is so nice.
I'm scared.
Ang ganda nga, Hailey. Oh,
Hailey, kita sige tawagin.
ang ganda nga.
I'm scared.
And our captain is Althea. Okay, let's move.
Ang cute yung mga nagkakayak ko, no? I'm afraid we'll bump into someone.
Oh. Isa pa, 1, 2. Yes.
You're still
the baby.
electrocuted.
The baby.
Daddy's.
And now we're moving again. Captain Althea. O baka ma-bump mo yung isang May hirap.
Ay, may dog sila. Look at the puppy. The dog.
Oh.
You should take Ashley.
But Ash is just gonna jump out of the
Yeah.
He will. But we'll get electrocuted. Yeah. Do you want Ash to be electrocuted?
Jump is not done. Say hi to my vlog, Nanay.
Hello.
Gusto rin nante.
Hi! Enjoy! Naka-enjoy naman.
Oh, how's the experience? How's the experience? How to drive the electric boat?
Nakakalito.
The donut boat? Nakakalito. So, struggle nung una?
Pero okay na.
Okay na ngayon.
Struggle pa rin minsan. We're going back now. Huh?
The lifeguard is not visible already. How can I...
Ay, stop muna tayo. Let the lifeguard, you know, take us from here. Come on, muna, baby. Yeah, my baby.
Wow, picture, baby. Picture of baby with daddy. Smile. Smile, smile. Smile, baby. Smile, 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 smile. Smile. Si Mangot, smile. You know? Smile, smile. Hey, smile, smile. Smile, Natalie, smile. Ay,
Smile.
sunset naman ay.
Smile.
Smile, dali na, smile.
Smile. Smile.
Smile. Oh, baby talaga. Pa-bebe. Sinong pa-bebe? Walang sa pansin pala. Yeah. Ang baby namin. Gusto laging magpapansin. Gusto laging papansin.
Scary.
Saan ba tayo magdadak? Saan natin ito saan tayo titigilin to?
Doon pa rin, sa kabila.
Tayo na yata pupuntahan. Hanapin yung number natin. Ano ba number natin? Ito. 19. Tayo
We have trap SOS.
Ate, you're not letting Daddy see.
Ayan, nasampan lang sa swal.
Banana eater.
Nasampan lang sa gwin.
Lakit ha?
Go na tayo?
Oo, go na. Let's go.
No, I'm not going back in the water.
Yate. Ngayon naman sa
Bangka. Donut boat.
donut boat.
Mom,
Ito ah. Yung ano.
is it because I'm shaking the boat like this?
Ikaw naman.
Anong nangyari sa akin dati dito? Anong ginagawa ko? Bakit may ako?
Akala mo madali.
Hindi ko naman hindi ko naman ginawalaw pa eh.
Oh.
Kaya na mga drama na rin dalawa ka rin. Oy!
Baka mahulog kayo dyan, ha?
Baka may ano dyan may shark. Shark. Yan lang palang kailangan mo, Hili eh. Yan lang palang kailangan mo para...
Oh, no.
Once we go back, is there still going to be electricity?
No.
No,
Why?
because our static is done.
Because we are going back. I'm going back. Wow, naglalaro ng mga. Yeah, expert now to dock your boat?
Yes.
Okay. Show it.
Okay.
Okay.
Baka mawili ka. Alam mo, mahal-mahal yung bayad dito. Mura lang. Ang mahal.
It's okay. As long as nag-enjoy naman ang pamilya.
We're going smoothly now. Tignan mo, hindi pa sila sanay. Umiikot-ikot.
Eh tayo nasa gilid tayo. Okay lang kami. Hindi.
Hindi ko alam kung paano bumalik. Tignan mo, babalik na sila.
Hindi. Doon lang dapat ang pinarenta natin. Ang bilis-bilis yun.
Ano takot siya?
Ayan na, ayan. Ayan na.
Hindi, ano to, ano na rin to, balik na rin siya. Oo, pabalik na yan. Oo, pabalik na yan. So doon, ikaw din, mag-park ka rin doon. Dati, mag-park ka rin doon. In between, sige nga, kayaan mo nga. Sige nga. Gusto ko doon sa in between, Daddy. Gano'n kagaling mag-park ng sasakyan mo, gano'n ka rin daw mag-park ng boat na to, Daddy. Okay, go. Kung gano'n ka mag-parallel, park.
Ating mga gamit pala.
Oh, ang ganda na ano, oh.
Too sad, they have to clean up again.
Hi, Yanni. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you sa mga pagbati ng mga kapatid.
Come on, Daddy, you can. See? Aya, Daddy, aya. Oh, yeah. Ayan, i-ano ka na niya. I-ayos ka na niya. Yeah.
Hop. Okay, stop it. Agit now.
Give me your dress.
Let's go now, let's go. Okay, time to go.
This one?
Ay!
I know one is using that kind of that bike.
Maybe it's...
There's a bike.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, the koi! So many.
Fish. Wow.
Wow. Ang dami nila, oh. Nasaan? Ay, nandun.
And see, the duck is so pretty.
Look at Ducky's
Oh, goodness. Ito yung pathway papunta sa baba. Ay, kabayan. Ito yung pathway papunta ng baba. Pati dyan ba sa atin? Oh, ang ganda, oh. Ang sarap pa ng hangin, ano?
Then,
There's a button where we can go home and then there's like...
Ang mga
teleport.
Now what you Daddy, what happened? You got electrocuted?
Ano?
What happened?
Parang butterfly siya. Tignan mo, ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Umilaw na rin yung ano, oh, pathway sa taas. Oh. Marami pa rin naglalakad. Tapos ang ganda, oh. Ganda naman.
Niloloko ko, Daddy. Lahat na ng force ko makuha.
Nanay, happy birthday, Nanay. Sana nag-enjoy ka.